Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 16th, Wednesday, when I'm recording this, and a couple things I want to point out. It seems that we are at a point where the market wants to hang out and chill for a little bit, mostly because we had two really big up days after the CPI report, and we just got very extended. I mean, that was just a straight up move, got overbought, needed to cool off a little bit. We've been expecting this sort of pullback, and the real question is this going to be a significant pullback? Is this going to be the beginning of a down move, or is this just going to be a flag? It's unknown at this point, but I'm leaning towards it being more of a flag type situation. Kind of looks similar to the last time we kind of had something like this, like right here. That's the one I'm looking at. See if it can just kind of chop and flag a little bit, then maybe a little bit more move to the upside. But we are kind of coming into the later innings of what I think this move is going to be. We can also see that price got held up right here at about $400, which is the 618 retracement from the big move down from August. And yeah, that's another good area for it to just be hanging out for a bit. Another thing to be looking at is if we look at the higher time frame charts, just be aware that the S&P is coming up into the underside of a downtrending monthly 10. Everything that I've looked at, that is pretty typically resistance. Now, that doesn't mean it has to stop on a dime right there. There are situations where it can come up and over a little bit and then work its way back down. So just realize that it's a blurry line and it can go up a little bit further. And if it were to push just a little bit past there, we could be seeing price coming up maybe to about the weekly 50, just kind of like what we saw here. Those are some basic things to kind of keep in mind because I am looking at this not going too much higher, mostly because if we look at the UVXY, which is a component of the VIX or the leveraged ETF of the VIX, you can see that it is been trying to put in a bit of a floor compared to how much the market has gone up. And so we're seeing some discrepancy, divergences in through here. But again, we have not seen anything fire. We have not been seeing any confirmation with the UVXY. There's clues, but nothing quite yet. And so I see some things developing, but nothing to really trigger off of at this point. So keep it kind of light, keep it kind of narrow, and just keep in mind where we're at in the greater scheme and context of things, and you should be okay. All right, guys, talk to you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.